Troll Science, view and download the latest user submitted troll science images from trollscience.com. Alright, next one's called APT. It's an advanced packaging tool from Debian. This tweet's called Quick LS and speed up your lock screen. So it does cost $1. Just makes your lock screen faster. Alright, next one's called a bypass. It's super jailbreak detection bypass. This is called Kaleidoscope and custom colors for iOS 13. This is called YouTube Killer. The YouTube experience for $1.99. You have all these features. Cube for YouTube, and pretty much this is actually my favorite tweak for YouTube. So you get a bunch of cool features right here. You get all these features right here. With Cube is that Cube does get updated consistently. So like every 2 weeks it gets updated, which is great. Next week is called Copic 2, and it's totally redesigned and optimized. It's all one solution. Have your contact pictures everywhere on your iDevice. Alright, next week's called Ainsworth and connect the experience you deserve. EAB config, and this tweak configures A/B features in the YouTube app. We have a tweak called Little X. It's lock HTML clock. So it's iPhone features for non-X devices. iOS 11 to 11.4 beta 3. So yeah, thank you so much for watching. Catch you guys in the next one. Peace.